Just wanted to show how these intake valves on a GDI engine can get if you don't keep up with the maintenance as far as doing an intake induction cleaning. This engine is off of a Audi Q5, I believe is a 2013 turbo. So I replaced this engine because it threw a rod, as you can see down here. And I decided to take the intake off to see how the valves were gunged up or how bad they were, and this is how it is. It's gonna be hard to see. Okay, this is the cylinder here. Let me see. Let me get another light to shine in there. Alright, I took the other piece of the intake so you can get a better shot of the intake valves. You can see here, see how gunged up they are. That's pretty nasty. Here's another cylinder. So typically, most of the times, this will cause a cold start misfire. Either the specific cylinder or random misfire, and it seems to clear up when the engine gets hot. So, and when the valve gets to this point, you're gonna have to clean them manually. Like you're gonna have to remove the intake, like I did here, and then get a chemical or a walnut blaster to clean that out. We here at the shop we use a two-stage BG cleaning. Let me show you what I mean. This is the kit that we use when it gets to that point. Basically, you do number one first, which is it's all chemicals, liquids, and then you do the second part. The more cylinders I have, the longer it takes. And then after that, we do this one here to prevent it to get to that point I would say every 20-30,000 miles. Not to mention, there is also another way of removing the carbon without taking the intake off, but it would have to be from this machine here, from ATS, and the shop would have to have this machine to do it. We don't have that machine, so we do it the old-fashioned way, which is removing the intake and doing manual labor. All right.